What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Military Mopar Madness. If you're just watching this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified, and leave a comment. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, or even recommendations. But this video is going to be me getting the oil catch can for this car because, you know, these motors are known for oil mixing in with the, you know, with the fuel and other stuff like that. The oil getting to places it's not supposed to get into. So I'm gonna be getting one of those soon. A good oil catch can, not some cheap one, you know what I'm saying? You can't really be cheap when you get these kind of cars because you'll end up paying more in the long run fixing it. But yeah, man, look at that throttle body. Yeah, look at the pulleys. But yeah, I'm gonna get me one put on this bad boy right here. My neighbors. Cause right here, this is like the OEM one, but I'm gonna put an aftermarket one on because first I'm gonna make sure I don't void my warranty. I'm gonna get permission first because one thing I'm not trying to do is void my warranty on this brand new car, you know what I'm saying? So definitely gonna look into that. But yeah, man, just let me know if y'all got one and how has it been for y'all compared to the stock one. Check that oil right here while we at it. I ain't really focused, but yeah, it look good. Yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all check y'all fluids. Alternator. So y'all checking y'all fluids and everything else. This thing hot. It's scarred up like that. But yeah. Alright. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. If y'all new, check out all my other videos. Check out my Dr. Ginger videos and everything else I got. Your boy out.